Welcome today in front of me Realme 9i, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the connection and sharing. Here you can see the NFC section. Just to activate NFC on the device, click here once on the switcher, and as can you see, the NFC is activated, and here you can see the just icon of the NFC, so that means that the NFC is activated. And if you want to just turn it off, click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how you can do that. So first you should go into the settings into the notification panel, and here click on the right upper corner of the top bar the edit icon, because here you should find the NFC icon. If you have not here the NFC icon, like in my case, you should add this icon here. So click to the edit icon, and here you will see somewhere the NFC. In my case, that's here. Now just hold for a while and drag this icon here to this up section. Now just go back, and here you can see now on our top bar the NFC icon. Just to activate the NFC on the device, click once here on the switcher and then on the icon, and when the icon will in the color, and you'll see here the NFC icon. So you just should know that the NFC is activated, and then just click here once again in this icon and if you want to just turn off the NFC. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.